Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video, we are going to learn how we can read, write and append a file in Dart programming language. For that, I have created a file 72 because of the video number 72 in the same playlist. That's why name is 72 file read, write and append. How we can do this? We are going to understand in this video. For that, we have to import a package. First of all, import package name is Dart.io. Remember, this package we have to use for file reading, writing. Then already I have created a text file here for reading or writing anything in this file. For that, just I create a object of this file and I say file, I say fread for reading file, then I say file, and here it need path of the file. For path of the file, we have to put in double quote, then I need dollar symbol, then I need default directory, current directory, the path of this, then I have to combine under this path as the file name that we want to read, that is data.txt, like this. So this is the file that we want to read. So this is the current directory, means path, current path of this directory in which I am working. So directory.current.path, and this is the file name. You can give any file name which you want to read, because this is a text file, so I want to read text information. For that, first of all, I have checked that fread.exist. If this file is exist, equal to true. Remember that here we need to use await also for testing this. Because I'm using await here, then we use async also. Now I have to check if this file is exist, then we can read information. So I say print and I say fread dot read. You see, number of things are there. Read as a byte, async function, read as a line sync, read as a string. So there are so many functions are there. So I'm using here read as a string. So I need this. Then else, if file is not exist, so I say file not found, like this. I can put try catch also. If there is an error, then it can goes to catch also. But here is a normal just file reading. Now we have read this file. If this file is exist, it will display data. Otherwise, we will say file not found. I say Dart file name, and we need Dart run, then file name. And you see that this information is saying that future string. So that is the problem here for path exist, and this is also for reading information. I need to put here await. Remember that, because this is a future, and for reading a future function, we need to put await also here. So I am running once again, and you see that data is printing here. So reading operation is done. If you are not using this await, so I think we can use async function also. This is the function that we can use. So once again, I try to run it, and you will see that it's running the same output is there, because this already async. So it will wait to display the information from the file. If I'm not using async function, then I need to put here await also. Remember that this is that we need to use. Again, I run and it will read the information from the file. You see, done. Now second operation is writing some information into the file. For that, I'm creating a new file here. I say data2.txt, data2.txt. This is the file in which I want to write something. So I say this is file 2. This is a dummy information that is inserted here, but I want to read this information and I want to write some other information to this file. For that, I just change the name of the file and I say text, like this. Now if file is exist, then we have to write some information. So I say dot write as a string, and content we have to pass here. So here I'm passing a content. I say this is Dart to write information in text file. Remember, so like this we have written the information here. Now if I try to execute it once again, and you will see that this is the file. It is information, displaying information also. And okay, I need to check the data also. You see data has been inserted in the file. So what I have done, I have used print also here. That is the problem. So I have to remove this, and here I need to print that data is inserted in file. That I have to display. Once again, I try to go there and I remove the information from this file. I say okay. You see, save this. Once again, I go there, I run this file, and you will see that data is inserted in file. If I go there, then data is also inserted. So this is the way. If I run this once again, remember, so once again, it will delete the data and insert this again. But if I want to append the information in this file, so read as a string, I have to pass a second, you can say second parameter also here. I say mode, and here I say file mode is append. So I want to open this in the appending mode of this file. And remember that this line will insert it number of time if I run this program right now. So I run it and you will see that 2 lines have been inserted. Now, if I say that is /n, means new line is there. Once again, I try to run it and you will see that we have a new line here. Here also we can say new line. If once again I run it, and you will see that we will have 4 line also. So this is for appending data into the file. For that we have to use read as a string, and here we have to pass the mode to read write this. So we have seen how to read the file information. Remember, we have also learned how to write information, and we also learned about how to append the information into the file in Dart programming language. So this is the way to read, write and append information in file. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.